Welcome to Everyday English with Rosa. I am so excited to help you speak with confidence. We practice real conversation and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. I get out of bed slowly. I turn off my alarm. I make my bed every morning. I open the curtains. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with water. I look in the mirror. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make a cup of coffee. I prepare my breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. I enjoy my breakfast. I check my phone for messages. I look at the weather forecast. I put on my jacket. I say goodbye to my family. I open the front door. I leave the house. I pass by my favorite coffee shop. I wave to a friendly neighbor. I check the time on my watch. I arrive at the bus stop. I wait for a few minutes. I get on the bus. I arrive at my destination. I get off the bus. I walk toward the building. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I sit down at my desk. I turn on my laptop. I check my schedule for the day. I take a deep breath. I feel ready and confident. I smile and say, let's make today a great day. I start my first task. And that's how I begin my morning. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support.